Hey, it's 3 a.m. again, and if you're watching this, your brain is probably doing that thing where it turns into a villain the moment the lights go off. You're calm the whole day, but at night, your brain suddenly becomes a philosopher, a detective, a therapist, and a disaster. Relax, I'm Mr. Cortex, and today I'm exposing what your brain really does at 3 a.m. Here's the first thing you need to know. Your brain behaves like a different organism at night. All day, your problem-solving brain runs the show, but once you lie down, it switches to something called cognitive quiet. That means the world is silent, your responsibilities pause, and suddenly, your default mode network, also known as the overthinking machine, wakes up. This thing loves digging up old memories, future fears, random regrets, and imaginary disasters. It's basically your brain's gossip department. When you're active, your DMN stays quiet, but the moment you stop moving, it steps onto the stage like, so let's talk about that embarrassing thing you said in 2018. The DMN is responsible for replaying your past, predicting the future, analyzing worst case scenarios, storytelling, imagining things that don't exist. And guess what? Nighttime removes distractions. So your DMN becomes your nightmare narrator. At night, your brain misinterprets silence as danger. This isn't your fault. It's evolution being dramatic. In the past, darkness meant predators. Your brain still acts like you're sleeping in a cave. So when everything gets quiet, your survival circuits wake up. Something feels wrong. Prepare for danger. Let's overthink everything you've ever experienced. That's why small problems feel massive at night. Your brain is scanning the silence for threats that aren't there. Ever noticed how you remember painful moments perfectly at night, but you barely remember good ones? That's the negativity bias. Your brain stores negative memories deeper because they could protect you. And here's the creepy part. At night, the emotional brain, the amygdala, becomes more active. Meanwhile, the logical part of your brain, the prefrontal cortex, is half asleep. This is the perfect recipe for emotional flashbacks. Old pain suddenly feels fresh, even if you moved on years ago. Your brain isn't hurting you on purpose. It's trying to prepare you. Using outdated software, Mr. Cortex. At night, your hormones turn into troublemakers. Cortisol, your stress hormone, rises randomly. Serotonin, your emotional stability, drops. Melatonin rises, making you more sensitive. So you're emotional, tired, chemically imbalanced, and half conscious. The perfect moment for your brain to say, let's think about everything wrong with your life. Now you know why thoughts feel heavier at 3 a.m. than at 3 p.m. MR Cortex. You're not imagining things. Your brain actually creates fake scenarios at night. Researchers call it threat simulation theory. Your brain practices danger in dreams and thoughts, so you're ready if anything happens. That's why you find yourself imagining arguments that never happened, tragedies that never occurred, failures that don't exist, conversations that didn't take place. That's not intuition. That's your brain rehearsing disaster like a drama queen. Good news, you can hack your 3 a.m. brain. 1. Name the thought. Say, that's my DMN talking. Your amygdala calms instantly. 2. Use the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 grounding trick. This shuts down emotional flashbacks. 3. Do a tiny physical action. Drink water, stretch, fix your pillow. This resets your nervous system. 4. Don't argue with the thought. Just say, this is not truth, this is biology. So next time your mind attacks you at 3 a.m., remember, you're not broken, you're just human. And your brain loves being dramatic at night. This is Mr. Cortex. See you in the next one, but hopefully not at 3 a.m.